When it comes to putting eggs in cocktails, you either love it or you hate it. There never seems to be a middle ground. But today I'm going to try to unite the divided sides with a cocktail anyone would enjoy. The Rum Sour Sans Egg. When it comes to bringing people together, there is no one more suited to the task. Lord knows I've never come off as standoffish. Let's celebrate with a victory shot. Diplomatico. Great way to unite. The Rum Sour is a great cocktail to imbibe in the spring, the summer, and the fall, and maybe even the winter. It's also easy to whip up, making it just as easy to whip up at the end of the party as it is in the beginning. Let me show you what I mean. Half ounce of simple syrup. Half ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 2 ounces of a dark rum, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. Santa Teresa. I wonder who she was. That's a Rum Sour. Today's word of wisdom is standoffish. This word's pretty easy to understand. If a person is standoffish, it's always like they're ready to stand off in a Mexican duel. You can identify them easily. Just make a comment. Any comment. Say literally any word. Then a standoff person will appear to make a counterpoint. Try this simple task. I like pecan pie. And before the words finish leaving your mouth, the standoffish person will butt in like, walnut pie is actually better. Now don't get me wrong, opinions and disagreements make the world go around, but only if we can have a civil discord. You see, the problem with people who are standoffish is they have opinions, and yours need to align with theirs, and nothing you ever say will be good enough. And that's why we drink. It's always like they're ready to stand off in a Mexican duel.
Damn, Dad, you aren't even Hispanic. Didn't we just go over this when you made that comment about Jamaica? Fuck that.